Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the Girona collection, which has the lighting as you can see here, which is motion detector activated. So you just put your hand in front of the sensor here and it just turns on and off. Let's go look at the finer details. Let's start with our sleek and compact 36-inch and 42-inch models. Equipped with two spacious drawers, they merge aesthetics and functionality to optimize your space. Next, discover our 48-inch and 60-inch models. Offering not just two drawers but also two doors, they represent the perfect balance between design and practicality. Each vanity unit in the Girona collection is distinguished by a high-quality white polymarble countertop, pre-drilled for a single-hole faucet mount, and wall-hung installation for a touch of modernity. Quality is in every detail, with soft closing features, shining chrome finish for the pop-up, and high-gloss white painted vanity cabinet. The 60-inch model can be equipped with one or two basins, perfectly adapting to both your needs and those of your family. Illuminated by LEDs, activated by a motion sensor and automatically turned off after 45 seconds, the Girona Vanity unit makes your nighttime bathroom trips easier. Not to forget, drawers made of aluminum, a sign of manufacturing that combines durability and elegance. If you ever need to take off the drawers for the Girona Vanity for any reason, installation or anything else, you can just take off these two little plastic covers on each side of the drawer. On the left and right, they just snap right off. As soon as these two are snapped off, you can just pull these two little levers on each side. So once you pull both of these, you can just pull the drawer right off of the rails. To put it back, it's pretty much the same thing, but backwards. So you put it back on the rails, slide the rails into the drawer, and as soon as you do that, you hear a click, and once you hear the click, you can just put the covers back where you took them from, snap them back right on, and that's it. That's how you take off and put back the drawers. Discover the Girona collection's elegance at one of our stores or online. Golden Elite Deco, where luxury meets design.